Hello student, today we start a new topic, grade separated intersection or interchanges. So in a grade separated intersection, name indicate grade. So here if intersection roadway are placed at a different elevation to allow uninterrupted traffic movement. So like if two roads are different in elevation and direction of the vehicle or change the road at that time grade separated intersection is required. So the grade separated intersection are classified as a overpass, under overpass, underpass, etc. And when a major highway is taken over the road of a lesser importance, it is called an overpass. And if the major highway is taken by depressing it below the ground level, cross another road is called a underbridge, also called a underpass. So here some of the advantages of a grade separation. So first advantage is to avoid necessary stopping, because here in a grade separation we move the traffic in underpass or overpass form. Second is to avoid accident at an intersection. Third one is there is increased safety or turning the traffic. And fourth one is there is overall increase in a comfort and convenience to motorists, and save the travel time. And the capacity of the grade separated intersection can be practically approached that two crossroads. And next one is sixth one is it is very useful for a expressway, because here there is no stopping is required at the intersection. And seventh one is it is possible to adopt grade separation for all likely angle and layout of intersecting of the road. Now here, in case of the advantages, some of the disadvantages also in a grade separation. So here construction of the grade separation is very costly, because here over cliff type of the or underpass or overpass bridge is constructed. So here overall cost of the construction is very high. And where there is limited right of way, like a built up and urban area where topography is not favorable, so construction of grade separation is a costly difficulty and undesirable. And third one is in a plain terrain, grade separation may introduce undesirable crest and sags in a vertical alignment. Next is a site condition and favoring grade separated intersection. So here some of the site condition and favoring grade separated intersection is first one is on highway facilities such as expressway, freeway, and motorway. Second is a certain at a grade intersection which have reached maximum capacity and when it is not possible to improve the capacity further. Now next is at certain location at a grade intersection, the accident rate is very high. Like in a cross section there are a maximum number of the vehicle is traveled. So at that intersection, this type of the grade separated intersection if we construct, so we save the time and we decrease accident rate. Next is at a junction where the traffic volume is very heavy and delay loss causes justify economical the provision of the grade separation. So here in a like in a Ahmedabad city there are number of the junction is there. So here number of the vehicle traveling is a maximum, traffic volume is a heavy. So at that intersecting point, this type of the grade separated intersection we constructed at a certain topographical situation where grade intersection is required. So here uh, in a number of the vehicle is higher. So in a certain topographical situation, like in a topographical condition, like earth is not in a same level So at that condition, considerable earthwork or at that point, this type of the grade separated intersection is required. Now current Indian practice require grade separation in some of the criteria is there. First one is on urban street, grade separation to be provided if estimated traffic volume within the next 5 years are in a express on the traffic capacity of intersection. So here one of the figure is here. So here trumpet interchange. So here trumpet interchange if the any vehicle is traveling in a left to right direction, and if we require to change the direction in a uh, 90 degrees, so here this type of the trumpet interchanges is required. Next is next figure is a diamond interchanges. So here diamond shape is road is constructed, and here road is major road is connected with ramps. So here small ramp is constructed for a change the direction without any obstruction, and here in between the intersecting point traffic island is constructed. Third one is a clover leaf interchange. So in this type of the interchange, ramp is constructed. So this ramp is change the gradient like upper gradient to lower gradient and lower gradient to upper gradient, and in between interconnected road is connected the major road like link road is connected to the major road. Now here on rule highway grade separation should be provided at an intersection where ADT on the crossroad within the next 5 years exceed the 5000. So grade separate is a great importance across the railway lines also. Now here some of the type of the grade separation intersection. First one is a grade separated intersection without interchange, and second one is a grade separated intersection with interchange. So interchange is the system whereby facility is provided for a movement of a traffic between the two or more roadway at a different level in a grade separated junction, and a structure without interchanging an overbridge or a flyover or underpass whereby traffic is a different level move separately without a provision for a interchange between them. So depending upon the number of the legs or intersections, so they are classified as a three leg interchange. So here three leg interchange is divided another three part. First one is a T type interchange, second is a Y type interchange, and a partially rotary interchange. Second is a four leg interchange. So four leg interchange also divided into four part. First one is a diamond interchange, second is a clover leaf interchange, third one is a rotary interchange, and fourth one is a directional interchange. And C is a multi-leg interchange. So multi-leg interchange is divided into single part is a rotary interchange. So one by one we discuss here. So first we discuss three leg interchange. So if one of the intersection legs meet at a highway at approximately right angle but does not cross it, so if the junction is provided with interchanging facility, so the this junction is called a uh, T interchange junction. So if the angle of intersection is accurate or absolute, junction is called a Y interchange, and a widely used form T or Y interchange is truncated. Second is a diamond interchange. So diamond interchange is a popular in a urban location where the major and minor road are connected or crossing with each other. So it can be designed for a relative narrow right of the way in a major road. So we already seen diamond interchange figure in above. Now lower leaf interchange. So here lower leaf interchange is a four leg interchange with a single structure, and it is very popular. It is used when two high volume, high speed roads are intersect each other. So first advantage is only one structure is required. Second is traffic on both the road is possible. Third one is left turning traffic has a direct path, and it is very simple to use, does not confuse the driver. And here some of the disadvantages also in a uh, cloverleaf interchange. So here relative large area is required because here uh, diversion road is connected require large area for in uh, changing the gradients. Second is the carriageway required also higher than the rotary interchange. Third one is the weaving maneuver are involved, and fourth one is that U-turn are long and operationally difficult. Fifth one is a right-turning traffic has to travel extra distance, and last one is a loop design speed have to be low, and seats above 50 km per hour likely to be increase the cost. Now here another type of the interchange is a rotary interchange. So see this figure in this interchange. If the four roads are connected, so we construct a circle, and above the circle main highway is constructed in the form of the bridge. So a traffic island is provided and circle is provided in a rotary intersection. So here a rotary interchange also four leg interchange, and it is very popular in UK. So here some of the advantages is it require less land area, and U-turn are easy. Carriageway is also less many other type, and suitable for most site. And here some of the disadvantages also is that so the capacity is limited by the capacity of a roundabout itself, and the straight through traffic on a road require wave with turning traffic from the other road. Now next is a directional interchange. Now in a directional interchange gives the direct or semi-direct connection for the major right turning movement is called a directional interchange. So these interchange are rather complex and complicated in a multi-level structure. So here see this directional interchange. So here road is constructed, here underpass or overpass is constructed, and also small connecting road with each other is also constructed. So design consideration for interchanges is a for terminology for interchange design. So interchange RAM is an interconnecting road of a traffic interchange or any connection between the highway facility at a different level on which vehicle may enter or leave the design roadway, and it is also called a access ramp or a slip roadway, and it may be in the form of the loop outer connection at a direction. Second is a loop. So loop is a one-way turning roadway uh, curve about 270 degree and left to accommodate right turning movement. Third one is a outer connection. So a ramp may be used traffic design for a left turn movement from the one up through roadway separated by a grade separation structure to the second through roadway. Fourth one is a direct connection. So form of a ramp which does not diverted much from the intended direction of the travel. It avoid the loop for a right turning movement, and outer connection is a direct connection ramp for a left turning movement. So here standards for ramp design. So here design value of a major highway and a loop ramp is given. So here design value it depend on a vehicle speed. So if the vehicle speed is 80 kilometer per hour or 100 kilometer per hour, so design ramp speed is a minimum and desirable is given in a table. Then after, radius of the curvature in the form of the meter is given, and stopping side distance is also given. Now here, upward ramp grade where heavy truck traffic is likely should be limited to the 4%, and the practical capacity through lanes can be taken 1500 puc per hour per lane interchange in a design. Now next topic is traffic signals. So traffic signal topic we discuss in a next lecture. So here we stop our lecture. Thank you.